Hi guys, Luke from Lucas Cars, and today we're doing some sort of TLC with said Mondeo today. It's been a while since we've done anything visually with this car or anything at all, even on camera since basically buying it. I mean, I've drove it an awful lot, to be fair. I mean, it's been a bit of a workhorse, as they say. Basically, the main thing today is just doing an oil change. Nothing massively drastic, just something needs doing. Thought I'd film it because it's just one of them things that someone might find interesting. It's not specifically too hard to do. Kind of already cracked on with it. So I've just took the tray off, which, if you can see, it's a bit dark. There you go. So the tray just comes off from underneath, which I've not had to do before. The other cars I've done this with, the tray just isn't there or in the way. So, but it's pretty easy, to be honest. The bolts just come off, so it suggests that someone's done this before because they weren't like stupid to get off. See the lovely damage on the front from me driving it like the first week of buying the car, because I don't know how to drive, but it's all good because I'll sort that out at some point, or probably never will, who knows. Apart from that, the Mondeo, I haven't done anything else with it since buying it, because it's just a Mondeo really, just been driving it, doing what it needs to do. Look who's just turned up now, wow, is that a race car? I think that is. It's Lightning McQueen. Wow, it's Alex Gebby, sheesh. He's here to watch me try and do it. I mean, it's not hard to do, but yeah. I'll crack on it now. He can help film now, actually, now he's here, so you'll get some hopefully slightly better camera angles than me awkwardly putting it on the floor and stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah. So after figuring out what size it is, 19 if you're interested, for the sump bolt, got this lovely heavy duty 6 litre oil drainer for £9.99, absolutely ridiculous money from Halfords, but they had no other options, so we're stuck with that. Basically just got to crack the sump bolt, take the sump bolt out, oil goes in the hole, and that's where we're at currently. It should be easy, he says. We'll attempt to do that. Probably won't be able to film it because it's very awkward, but we'll see what we can do. About to go. Please don't burn me. Please don't burn me. Ah! I think we've done it. I got the plug thing, that's what I wanted.
Magic.
No, I just slide out of here. Ah. Ah. Yeah. That looks semi-new, which is actually really good. I'm reusing it anyway because I don't want to spend the money on buying a new one. Stonks. So now with the Patronus oil, we're going to pour said oil into that hole with our lovely laser funnel. Wow, that's so cool. I don't know why it's called laser, it's probably just a brand. So we now undo said oil hole, like so, he says. We use said non-glove hand. Ah. The struggle is real. It turns about half an inch. Yeah. Was that on video? Oh god. Wow.
That's definitely gonna go.
That's fine. So now we've struggled to take off the oil cap, we now pour this lovely... Oh, it's got a Mercedes thing on there. That must be good. Oh, it says F1. This is actually really expensive. This cost me, sorry, a Mercedes oil. Lewis Hamilton uses this in his
still not focusing.
Mercedes. What you click the button. This button behind your finger there.
That one.
We'll cut half of that because he doesn't know how to use the camera yet.
Learning.
It's learning.
Every day's a school day.
Yeah. So now it's like your milk bottle, you just take off your cap. So now, without fucking, there's no tab, it's not like a milk bottle at all.
Stab it.
I ain't got a stabber. I would wish.
Not really finger you.
Ah! Pierce the hole. Quality. Now we just pour. Look at it, golden. That's like honey. Oh god. I'm good at this. And we just fill her up all the way. When you're doing this, make sure you look at your manufacturer's brochure to see how much oil that your car takes, because every car will be different. This Mondeo takes an amount of oil that I can't remember, but we're going to put all this in because it was more than this. I think it's like 6.5 litres or something, could be wrong.
What's that?
It's like 5. Oh, hello, didn't see you there. Today's video is sponsored by Red X. If you've got diesel and it needs cleaning, fueling and read more powerage, buy this today and you'll get an extra 5 horsepower. 5 horsepower! So we're now cleaning off the dipstick. Dipstick was questionably stained, so that old lumpy horrible oil in it. Re-put it in and see where we're sat, really. Wow, we've got oil in the car, that's crazy. I would have never have guessed. It's about halfway, it could probably do with a bit more, but I mean, in terms of the oil change, that's literally it. You can do, people are like, I should be doing the oil filter as well. You don't need to do the oil filter from my lovely mechanical expertise, but for now, that's enough for me. It's just a little bit of extra maintenance before it does its big voyage to Teesside on Friday, which this video will be up on a Friday, so it'll be on this day. It's crazy. That's nice and oily, lovely. Put this cap on that's really easy to put on. You just go like that. That's literally it.
You just take it off again. Just for the. See how easy that was.
Yep, easy. And then another really exciting thing that we've got today is pause video and jump to future loop. So this Red X stuff that we've got that isn't sponsored, just a lovely cameo that I like to give to you guys. It's basically just a cleaner that cleans out like the injectors and all that sort of the good stuff in the engine. Especially with a car this high mileage, it's sort of good to get something like this. Cheap, costs like 4 or 5 quid. Just put like half of that in, it goes into the fuel, mix in with like, fill it up with half a tank, full tank, whatever. Drive it about, cleans itself. Can't complain for the price really, and it just sort of helps the longevity of the vehicle. So we'll get it in after I've taken this dodgy cap off. There we go. Should be relatively easy to put in, you'd like to think. I was slightly concerned because we have like the weird push caps on these of like, will it just go in, but should be able to just put it in like so. And then I don't know how you're meant to know where halfway is, but we'll go to like there.
There's a bit of a leakage there.
Yeah, I don't think any of that's gone in. I'd assume it's not gone to where it's meant to have gone, but that's fine. I'll go and get my cap out the 350 and do it that way then. You going? So the cap thing, the guy at Halfords is like, yeah, this fits straight in the hole, pour it in, job's a good one. No, it doesn't work like that, because it's got like them special don't steal the fuel cap things. Didn't work, just poured straight through onto the floor. Not ideal. So luckily I've got this, it's just my fuel nozzle thing off my fuel, stick it in, and then now I can put some in of what I've got left.
Fuel nozzle thing off your fuel.
You know what I mean? It's just a
Jerry can.
It doesn't matter really, it's just a nozzle, innit? So now I've put whatever left out of that, which is more than nothing. Not ideal, but it's better than nothing, like I said. But it's only cheap, he says. Yeah, great. That's kind of that. That's in now. That's also stuck in there, great. There we go, easy. So, hopefully today's video has been slightly educational and entertaining as per usual. I like to try and make them slightly more interesting than just a boring tutorial or whatever video it's going to be. General maintenance on the Mondeo really, 2 tiny things, nothing too drastic, but something slightly better. For me this is a lot because I don't really do maintenance-y things, I kind of just use the cars till they break. So yeah, not an exciting videos compared to what the other ones sort of are, but it's got to be done, so here we are. Next video will be drifting, so that's exciting, can't really complain about that. So Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.